Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're here at crypto.com, DeFi wallet, and we're going to take a journey over the CROnos bridge to VVS finance land. Alright, see CRO is down to 56 cents. VVS token, 5. Alright, let's go over to VVS finance and see how we're doing over here. Because I know I've had about 700 bucks in here, and now I'm down to, drum roll please, 500 bucks. Ooh, that's a hit. So, you know that VVS is about a third of what it used to be. Alright, now, let's take a look at the mine that we have going. We started out at 3,000%. We're down to 227.32%. So, still pretty good interest rate. Can't really find that anywhere else on the planet, right? High interest rates are pretty awesome. See, we made some pretty good money on just a little bit of money. So that's good. The downside is we've lost money because VVS is worth a lot less than it used to be. So that's the unfortunate part. I think we're going to come back here once they get the system online. They start burning some tokens, and they have some usefulness other than just mining and farming. So you can see here we have about $8 that we've earned in the farm so far. And since the CRO is about 56 cents a piece, and it takes one CRO to collect this harvest, I'm not sure if I actually want to do this yet, but I'm going to do it anyway. Just for the video, right? See how the process goes. Right? You get one CRO, and it's going to come out of the wallet that I have. It has 130 CRO in it. So you don't pay for that out of the VVS that you earn. You have to have money in your wallet to harvest the VVS. And then once that is done, the VVS will go back into your wallet in the DeFi wallet at crypto.com. Okay, yeah, I know it's a little confusing, but you can see the pop-up window said VVS was sent to your wallet. Alright, so all that VVS should go back to my wallet. So it takes a couple minutes to get there, maybe 30 seconds, I don't know. I haven't really timed it. It's pretty quick. So let's leave VVS Finance for a minute. And we're going to go into my wallet here at DeFi.com, or crypto.com, DeFi wallet, and see if it, so you can see I collected this today, January 3rd. I collected 153,361 point blah 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 VVS. So, good deal. Alright, can't beat that. So you see I've been mining for quite some time. And you can see all the transactions here that I've done. I started back in November when the rates were still super high. And VVS was worth a lot more. Alright, so VVS is out here. Alright, they're using the scientific notation again. It was like 1.5 times 10 to the minus 4, or whatever they want to call it here. Alright, E minus 4. Okay, they're just moving this place around. Whatever. Anyway, it was 15. Now it's closer to 5, so it's like a third. So that's bad. So I've been dollar cost averaging down. I think we might be at about a point of normalization. You can see here we've been at this level for some time, and then just recently we had a little bit more of a dip, but if we look at the scale, it's not really that much. So I'm not too concerned about it. It looks pretty much the same. You just look at this bottom layer here. It looks pretty much all the same across the board, right? We're around that same level. And once they get this ecosystem online and working, I think we're going to be in a much better position. Like the CRO, okay? When the CRO first came out, nobody believed in it. It was a penny crypto. And that was the time to stock up on that thing. Luckily, I got in before it ran up to 50 cents. But now that this is going on, it's time to restock on VVS. And let me know what you guys think. Been reading a lot of good things about it. And the tonic also. I haven't decided to do tonic just yet, but maybe in the future I will. Let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, anyway, I think this thing's going back up to at least where it was once this thing gets rolling, and I think it's going to go probably 10x from that. Maybe 100x in the next, probably 2 years would be my guess. Depending on how quickly they can ramp up the ecosystem and the utility of the token, and how much they release into the wild. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.